we're going to start this video actually with something a bit different, because I've never done an unboxing video. So I've had this through the post, and I'm come down to the post office, and we're going to go grab this parcel and see what it is. Right, so let's see what this is. Yeah, come find the usual big knife that everyone seems to do an unboxing with. So do that for later. Hold on. Up that there. Christmas come early. Trying to get into this thing. Right. Package well. There we go. Good old Mr. Farmer P. So, thank you very, very much for that, sir. And you know what we're going to do next? Cheers, Farmer P. Good cup. Right, so I know we're still having a bit of a YouTube break, but I thought couldn't really not do this. So down Midland Machinery show, and they're busy chatting to himself, but we've got Jonny here. Do you want to wave or anything? Yeah. You've got to do your wave. We've also got Mr. KV.
Alright.
So yeah. He also has a YouTube channel, so there'll be a link for his channel down below, as Jonny's as well. Yeah. So go have a chat with them.
I don't know. Yeah. Please, everyone, please go to Jeff's channel.
Go
please
to his channel. Go subscribe to him. The guy.
If you want to see someone who knows how to plough properly. Good to that, Jonny.
So we're doing this back and front because it's actually the end of the day, but we've had a bit of a wander around, we've had a bit of a look at machinery, and enjoyed ourselves. Got frostbite. So like I say, everyone is now packing up, and we probably should be running off home. But yeah,
had a good day, haven't we?
Good day out.
Yeah, it's been a year anniversary since we all met each other.
1 year anniversary, yeah. He can speak usually. No. All mistakes are here on this channel.
Secret squirrels now.
So
it's the first year anniversary since me and HS Agriculture.
Yeah, sort of down over. Over here somewhere. So yeah, it's nice to come back. It's a shame Casto couldn't make it.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
So yeah, but we've had a good day. I've taken probably very little footage, but we are going to show that next, and hope you enjoy the video.
Yeah. You got visibility. First, you know. Edit that out.
I thought you were going to do something interesting about the tractor.
About the tractor. Well, it's black.
I'll take back everything I've said when we got here about Deutz.
Yeah.
Quite like the appearance of that.
Yeah.
The
It is.
styling of it.
It is just right, isn't it?
It's crazy. The styling of it. There's nothing that looks like it. The only thing I don't like about Deutz, I don't like about the look, is the back. Is a mudguard, rear mudguards.
Rear mudguards?
Yeah.
Is this splitting it?
I know you can't judge a tractor on its appearance, obviously.
Well,
But
you've got to have a sexy looking tractor to be happy.
the cab comes. I mean, it'd be great for the operator because you've good view down there. But for looks wise, if we're just going for aesthetics, which is a lot of tractor driver.
Oh, we were using the passwords today.
And yeah, I think it's. I know it seems to like cab and then end, finish.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Looks a small cab.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah. But, I'd like to have a go on one. I'd like to have a go on one just to see. Hopefully the Deutz engines that are in them aren't the same as the ones that are in the fence, because they'll get blowing up.
Yes.
The back end looks like good access to all the spills. And
Yeah,
it's not like Tom Cretton case in New Holland.
Yeah.
Awkward to
What?
plug everything in.
Watch your knuckles when you pull the pipe out.
yeah, especially the
Got
brake.
to have the lift arms right up to get both hands in.
Yeah.
Out of the way you lift rod.
Yeah, you do. When I put that big drill on, I have to lift the linkage right the way up with the drill on to get the plug part in. Yeah, which is annoying.
There's nothing. Everything's open.
Yeah. The same connect.
Pottery de Mowers. That-
Yeah.
Little bit newer design.
Yeah. Fancier panels.
How does it pivot then? How does it?
You know, somewhat I'm yet to
figure it out.
There's springs and linkages and.
So it's floating in its essence. isn't it?
Yeah,
all beds floating separate to the. You're going down the field, and every now and then you can see this bob up and it's
Yeah,
just
the
floating
springs are
over the
moving.
ground. Yeah.
And you just run it on those skids underneath.
yeah, just
Do they wear out quick?
Yeah. Well, the woody fuel contracting.
Yeah.
Thousands of acres a year.
Yeah.
1,000 acres a year, probably every other year, maybe every third
They're doing
year.
a set about every three years.
Right.
I mean, a lot of it depends on the ground you're running on.
Yeah.
If you're stony or sort of abrasive ground, because
This year
obviously,
they haven't worn so much. It's
Yeah.
quite
Right.
yeah, last year I bet they wore well because
Yeah.
the ground being that dry, and
Yeah.
you know it does make a difference.
They do, yeah. Like I say,
I mean-
if you stony ground, they are running on the deck, aren't they?
Yeah.
They are, yeah.
Yeah, I mean they are almost comparable to like a soil engaging wearing part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're easy to look after.
Yeah.
They're easy to. Yeah, they are. They're good. I was very impressed with them.
Yeah. Listen to drivers, right? Listen to people having to pay ridiculous money to have a toolbox made. Look, fence dummy. It even pulls out. Right?
I'm not sure how long the polystyrene's going to last.
On his bait box.
Look at that, eh? You'd pay what? 600 quid to someone to have one made?
Yeah.
Like 500-600 quid.
1050 will have all that, is it?
It doesn't have one like that. No, it's got one under the step at that side, and there's just like a plastic one sat on top. It's not that little lid.
That'll be useful. A windscreen wiper on the side.
Yeah, it's got one of them. Yeah, 1050. Yeah. It is handy.
Yes. Yeah, then
I think edge cutters.
Yeah.
Why haven't they gone then for a one piece, a big door at the other side? Why put a pillar in?
I don't know because it doesn't open either.
I always like the vultures used to. It's like, look, you've got windows in the back of the cabin. It's like, yeah, but you can't open them. What's the point?
Yeah. That isn't even a door. That's
It's not a door.
no, it just.
Do you think they would go like a big one piece?
Yeah, the other side. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. You can get. I bet you can. Is it locked?
Yeah.
He's already checked that. Oh,
When you should bring your spare key.
you'd think, being you are the sort of UK voice of Fent 1050s, you'd be allowed access, wouldn't you?
We have a toolbox here.
Ah, so they've done away with that.
Yeah. That's all the tank.
You need to be on the step just to look in the diesel tank.
So what do you think, Johnny? Yay or nay?
1050 cab, isn't it?
Is it a 1050 cab, is it?
Same size.
It's fully suspended as well.
Oh, aye.
Look, you've got an airbag at the front there.
When you shut them down, when you finish, you just hear the air coming out. When you
So basically,
walk around the back, you can see the cabs lifting up.
Whenever you turn the tractor off, it has a fart.
Basically, yeah. A silent but deadly one. The other ones that goes.
Maturity's back again then.
It's back end look the same. To me, it's just like it is a mini tank. Well, not mini. It's a massive tractor, isn't it?
It is.
D-rated 1050.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're saying you're 44s on the back of the 1050, aren't you? 44-inch rims.
No.
No, 46, isn't it?
Yeah, they're bigger. What are these on?
44s.
44, yeah, it's bigger.
But you're same on the front. No, are you? Yeah, 650, 60 are slightly smaller on the front. Because the 1050s, 650, 65, 38s. The only reason I remember that is because your front tyres and your 1050 are the same as my back tyres on my Smurf.
Yeah.
They're bigger than my back tyres, the front tyres on the 1050.
Yeah.
Wheels and tyres are bigger than what we have on back of ours.
Yeah, you're about.
That one I started book raking last year.
Yeah.
Just phenomenal.
Yeah.
You don't realise how big they are until you actually get next to them, do you?
That was the first time I'd seen one, and I couldn't believe how big it was.
Yeah.
I just could not.
You see them on video and you think they're just.
Yeah, sort of comparable to like a 939 or something, aren't they? And until you get next to them, that they are.
On the cake was watching him turn everything round in the cab.
Oh, the reverse drive.
Yeah,
How
that's
how
right.
that worked, how the seat and steering column folded up.
Yeah.
And then spun it round and then unfolds it all again.
We haven't got the reverse
It's
drive.
all all tinted windows as well.
Yeah. The thought of everything, it's just a lovely place to be.
Yes.
Really nice. Spoiled. Terribly.
Yes, you are.
It's like art.
Right, so we've reached that point in the video. Admittedly, I didn't get much footage today. I was enjoying the day out, and I say there's a few interesting bits we managed to record from the day. A few interesting people we had a chat to. Spent a nice day with Jonny from Jonny 1388 and Jeff from KV6080. Like I said at the start of the video, their links will be down below in the description, along with the link for the shop to get all your HS agriculture merchandise, dog tags, pendants. There's a load of HS Ag merch and a load of really nice handmade stuff that my wife makes. That's her hobby. Real nice quality stuff. Yeah, so that's it. That's this video done. If you have enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the little bell. Don't forget to give it one of our grubby thumbs up if you have enjoyed this video. Videos will still be on a Sunday at about 6:30, but they're not coming every Sunday. We're still just taking it easy, and yeah, they'll be up every now and again. So thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you next time.